What do you want?
Let
me see. You want chips for breakfast?
No.
Take out your binky.
Yes. Yes.
What is that?
Yes. Chips.
Chips.
Yeah. Mama, it's too hot.
What?
It's too hot.
It's hot?
No.
What's hot?
Chips.
Chips.
Yeah. Really bad. See, I told you.
You told me.
Yeah. The bedroom.
Chippies?
Yeah.
No chips right now. It's breakfast time.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
No chippies.
No.
Don't kick. No
No.
chippies. Are you mad? Hey! Hey. No chips. Stop kicking. Anthony. That's not nice.
Can't